This tutorial is exploring a more complicated drawing type, which is basically creating a shape using a series of vertices. So, walking through the code, we see size 500, color mode RGB, background black, stroke color to be seen shortly, stroke weight 5. Stroke join is a miter, meaning it's a corner. Um, and here we get a slightly more complex sort of description because we've got no fill, so that means it's just line. We've got begin shape, so that means we're going to begin drawing a shape. And then we have a series of two vertices. So there's the vertex, which is at 50, 50, so that's xy coordinates. A second vertex, 450, 200 xy coordinates. Same thing, same thing. And then you'll see the last vertex is 50, 50, meaning it closes. So, and then the final, so that it closes the shape. And then you declare end shape when you're done drawing the vertex. So if we play this, we see a simple shape made up of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. Right? It has 4 corners, but it's made up of 5 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so very straightforward.